have a power back on, people. Here's our going home. Well, the road was clean, so that was nice. See, people, and the sun is peeping. Look at the sun, it's peeping. So hopefully this is the last today. This is the last day we're getting snow. So really, you know, like I've said, Texas is not used to this weather. We are used to 100 degrees temperature. So really nice farms, nice farm. But driving in the highway was really nice. We're happy. Babies, you happy? Stacy? You happy, dude? So, this is Texas. We're in the other part of Texas too. We're not the only one that snowed in for how many days. We're so glad that our power back on. It's almost 3 days that we don't have power. We ended up being in the hotel for the night, staying here. So it's really nice. So, be careful here. School buses are trying to probably, the people that went to the MPEC, they were probably using the school bus to bring them home or whatever. You happy, Daisy? We're going home? We're going home, baby? We're going home, Cookie? My puppies are very stressed. Now that we are. Look at the farms. Those are the cows. Cows everywhere here. This one. Sometimes they're really beautiful because they don't have the grass. It's all blanketed of snow. So we never had these for many years. We never, since we moved here in Texas, we never have this type of weather. We get snowed in, but just a little bit, and then it melts right away too. Look at the farm. Oh, nice. Happy. So glad our power back on today. So Bacon Switch, this is where they are in the other side. Yesterday when they got stuck in the snow yesterday, one of my friends' truck, and they have a flat tires too. So poor thing, but they were okay. Some people helped them and got back on the road. Hopefully, I think tomorrow will be, businesses will be resumed. I might probably go to work Saturday because I was scheduled to work Saturday and Sunday. Yikes. The only thing that is not clean is the streets. So look at this bird. See this? This is the one that is not clean. It's the only car that makes them clean because of the heat of the car while moving. So that's the road. You see that how bad it is? You have to be careful while driving this type of road because you might be slide or you might be stuck. Oops, we got it now. Oh my gosh! See, that's the other right lane. It's all full of ice. The only thing that is not full of ice is the one that all the vehicles are passing by, and it got melted. It. See, if you that one should be careful. There's a lot of file. See, this is where we drive the road. Yeah. So it's still bad actually. The road's still bad. This is where we're. And look at our street. This is where our car. Oh, see how about this one too? That's the street. Have to be careful while driving slowly. It seems like it's wrong. Look at that road. This is road, guys. This is our road in our street.
Still got love survive.
Look at that, how
Cause it seems a little closer to me. Dance a little closer now. Dance a little closer tonight. Dance a little closer to me. Cause it's closing time and love's on sale night. This Friday night.
wow.
One of the boys and then his man.
This is our road. This is our street. Our street for people. For us. Where's my
Nobody was
street?
back by June. Singing a different tune.
Okay.
Sporting this
My husband went home. Just my house. We're home, babies. Okay. Bye for now.